If most kids love chocolate milk drink more than just cocoa drink, for most adults like me, I believe it's the opposite. We prefer chocolate drink without the milk. In this video, I'll show you how to make your own sweetened cocoa powder using just 3 simple ingredients. Of course, no preservatives, no artificial additives, just pure chocolatey goodness. Perfect for both hot and cold chocolate drink, even with coffee, and a great alternative to store-bought brands. Here are the ingredients you'll need to make 1 kilogram of sweetened cocoa powder. 600 grams powdered sugar, 398 grams cocoa powder. You can use either natural or alkalized cocoa powder. And lastly, 2 grams iodized salt instead of ordinary salt for added health benefit, especially iodine for thyroid function. Here's how simple it is to make. First, weigh all the ingredients accurately. For powdered sugar, I need 600 grams. For cocoa powder, 0 first. I need 398 grams. Iodized salt, I need just 2 grams. Second, mix in a clean mixing bowl or plastic bag and blend thoroughly. So, mix. After blending, sift the mixture to remove lumps and ensure a smooth texture. So again, sifting is a very important step. After sifting, transfer your finished mix into a clean, airtight container and store it in a dry place at room temperature. So you have your sweetened cocoa powder ready. You can adjust the ratio of sugar and cocoa powder depending on how sweet or chocolatey you want your drink to be. Add more cocoa for more chocolatey flavor, or add sugar for sweeter drink. If you want, you can also try natural, nutty flavors like macadamia, hazelnut, or almond flavors. And that's how easy it is to make your own sweetened cocoa powder at home. Try it today and see the difference between homemade and store-bought cocoa powder. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to Homemade Processed Foods. And watch out for my next video on how to make sweetened condensed milk using just 2 simple ingredients. Thank you for watching, and God bless.